Ever since I was a young boy, knew that I was destined for greatness, but they tried to enslave me. So I ran away, slave, never to come back again. Run away, slave, destined never to set foot on my native land, or to know my native place.
One little, two little, three little Indian. So that I know what they think I was a drunken joke. It was so Sunday, it was allowed with them vitamins. In the end, it turned out better than the rest of them. Cause they had arrested them for being Indian. After they had showed them how to work the land, how to be a man. Told them along with their clan, now they wanna form a clan.
Run away, slave, never to come back again. Run away, slave, destined never to set foot on my native land, or to know my native land. One little, two little, three little African stole the land, they plan never to go back again. Most of their kin died in shackle lying under them. Them was about a trip, was just chattel for the auction net. Can you imagine being sold next to the cattle? Being told that you're worth less than a man. They get them chains and whips so they forget that life before the slave ship ever exists. Now look at us with our chains and our whips. How do we not get that the slave ship still exists? Ever since I was a young boy, knew that I was destined for greatness, but they tried to enslave me. So I ran away, slave, never to come back again. Run away, slave, destined never to set foot on my native land, or to know my native land. Sold that land what they thought was a trunk of jam.
One little, two little, three little Africans.
Stole from the land, they clan never to go back again.
One little, two little, three little Mexicans.
Pushed them off the land, now they call them immigrants.
One little, two little, three little Hawaiians.
They stole the lands, and now they just go look at them. One little, two little, three little Indian. One little, two little, three little African. One little, two little, three little Mexican. One little, two little, three little Hawaiian. Thought they made some friends, but it was all about them Benjamin. Thought they made some friends, but it was all about them Washington. Thought they made some friends, but it was all about them Hamilton. Thought they made some friends, but it was all about them Jefferson. Thought they made some friends, but it was all about them Benjamin. Thought they made some friends, but it was all about them Washington. Thought they made some friends, but it was all about them Hamilton. All about them Jefferson. One little, two little, three little Indian sold their lands what they thunk was a trunk of gems. One little, two little, three little African stole from their land, the clan never to go back again. One little, two little, three little Mexican pushed them off their land, and now they call them immigrants. One little, two little, three little Hawaiian, they stole their land, and now they just go look at them. They thought they made some friends, but it was all about them Benjamins. Thought they made some friends, but it was all about them Washingtons. Thought they made some friends, but it was all about them Hamiltons. Thought they made some friends, but it was all about them Jefferson. Thought they made some friends, but it was all about them Benjamin. Thought they made some friends, but it was all about them Washington. Thought they made some friends, but it was all about them Hamilton. All about them Jefferson.